Alright guys, I know we haven't had a lot of content in forever, but it's okay. I got something cool coming for you today. So here it is, our 2-cycle powered mobility scooter, powered by a snow blower engine off of one of these little tiny Toro snow blowers. And it's just in its beginning stages here. It actually does drive, but we threw this together in a couple days, so the gas tank we still got to reroute because it's literally hanging out. And this dangerous piece, gonna cut that off. But pretty much what we did here is we took the pulley off the snowblower with the belt and ran it right to the electric motor, which we're actually using as a pulley. So we just took off the outer shell and broke the magnets off of it and everything, but it turned out we didn't need that. But right here on the windings of the motor, the belt, and it's pretty tight. And it goes pretty fast. And then we just put a stability bracket in here to keep the motor from like bending forward under the pressure. And then like all this stuff, like the primer button's just temporarily down here, and then this nice can for an exhaust pipe. And our kill switch is hard to reach, but this is just the beginning stages of it. Then down here we just put a couple angle irons to hold the motor in place, just so it wouldn't like flop all over. And it does have electric start, so that's pretty helpful. And then it does have pull start, which I fixed, and then the handle fell right back off again, so I gotta look at that and fix it better. So I think we'll probably put bigger tires on it, reroute the fuel tank obviously so it's not just hanging out, but it actually does run and drive, which is pretty cool. I wasn't sure if this was going to work. It doesn't have a clutch or anything, so you pretty much have to start it and just tip it so the wheel's off the ground. Yeah, there it is. Our 3-day build. 2-cycle powered mobility scooter.